Now your camera's on.
I can tell you how the fuck I feel, right?
What? What?
Do you allow cussing on your YouTube channel? What if I just like shot you?
It would hurt?
It would hurt.
Ricky. What? Hey, you gotta kick some butt, dude. Don't be scared. You know what? You go first. Come on. Come on.
You should get some music on this video. Have you ever seen SWAT when it's like... You guys don't know what I'm talking about now?
Yeah.
Did nobody agreeing with me? Y'all looking at me like y'all never seen the movie. You ever seen SWAT?
Oh, yeah. That's so hard? Now you're good. Where's Adrian? Get your butt over here. Run! 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 Stop! Go! 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 So let's just go for it. Let's just go for it. Let's do this. I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. Surrender. Grenade. Yeah. Surrender. Okay, all right.
Surrender! Surrender!
Surrender.
I surrendered you already.
No, you did not.
I came behind all you guys and surrendered you, but you didn't hear me.
What happened, David?
You told me.
I don't know. You said he surrendered you.
I didn't even see the dude. Until he came out and I was like, oh, surrender?
Who had her back? You. It was you again. You're gonna be deep into the bag. You're gonna be... Where's this guy at?
I don't know. Let's move forward.
I'll sacrifice, okay? Wait, where am I running?
No, relax, man. Relax.
Into there, like, where they started off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Go. Go, kid. Go.
Right there?
Camera recording?
No, it's on. Oh, yours?
Yeah.
C.
It's recording?
Yes.
Okay.
Shot yourself in the finger? Is mine recording?
You guys have both have a camera?
Yeah.
Hey, is mine recording?
Ready?
Let everybody know that people coming up from the left side.
Let's speak. Oh.
Hey guys, this is Rick from Death Squad Airsoft. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, make sure you leave a suggestion down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys.